Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox the back cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. I had recently purchased Tab S7 and in my last review we had seen the unboxing of this screen protector for this tablet. I'll give a short review here on the screen protector. So I found is the screen protector was not of the right size. It was a bit smaller, 1 mm from each of the edge, and you can see, I don't know if you can notice there in the video, but there is a gap outside the screen everywhere on both the sides, although it had a camera keyhole at the right position, but then on the top edges there is a 1 mm gap. Anyways, I keep it aside because we are here to unbox the cover for it. I ordered a shockproof cover, although I will receive a free cover from Samsung under the scheme promotion. But anyways, I need to order a more rigid shockproof cover for this. Okay, let's start the unboxing. It's a cover and it seems to be bubble wrap inside. I can feel it. I will quickly cut it open with. Right, so that's open. The first cover is open. I had to pull it out, and here you go. There was a foam placed here to protect it. You keep that aside, and you can see it's nicely wrapped in this plastic wrap, and it looks premium. It's nicely built. It doesn't look like a cheap quality cover. So let me just show you. It is shown some instructions over there. So what the instructions say is you can rotate the back side of it. You can insert the pen, like there is a pen slot at the back, which is this one, and I guess this can be rotated. And then finally, if I can pull it out, and then yeah, there is a stand as well. So I'm using this flap over there. I'll need to check out how that works. So I need to rotate it this way and lock it here somehow, and then there it goes. Oops, didn't work. Okay, now I could lock it. So that's how it is. Yeah, I have managed to figure out how to put this stand back in the place. So there is a small push button here, a kind of flap there that you need to push in like this, and once you push in, once you push in, it would just easily go back like this. So that's the way. If you need to pull it out, you need to use this slot, pull it out, stick it there once it is locked, and then we just push it in slightly to put it back in the place. It can rotate, and you can then hold it like this. I think that's really cool feature, and that you could hold your tablet with one hand. So next is to figure out how to fix the tablet inside this. They have a marking here saying tear down position. So let's try that. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Oops. And you see this rubber is coming out there. I think I would need to remove it. There is another fitting over here that needs to be removed to fit in the tablet. So that's one by one, slowly and carefully taking out this panel. Okay, there it goes. So this paper can be then removed, and we have 3 pieces now. So this front panel that goes like this. They also say that we can somehow remove this back part if you don't need to hold it, but I will leave it as it is because that's very important for me to carry the tablet or hold the tablet while using it. Let's start putting in the tab. Okay, cool. As you may notice, it has to go the right way. There is a slot for USB-C. There are slots for speakers here on this side, on that side, and also on the other sides, and then there is a microphone opening as well. So we must enter it in the right way. Okay, I keep it there. Next is to put on the frame on this. So I will match the camera hole here with the camera on the tablet, and there it goes directly on this, and it's pretty easy to fix it on that. So there you go, the frame is on this, it's fixed quite well. The clips here will connect to the bottom part of the cover, so the frame fixed like this. The camera is right in the right place, the sensors as well on the both sides, so it's pretty much good and heavy. Now next part is to put on this cover, which is the rubber cover. So I think that's also very helpful. When it falls down, this is there to protect it. So just to remember that this slot here for the pen must match. So I know it's on the side of the camera, so I'll put it directly on this. Put on the rubber cover on it very nicely. It fits in actually very nicely. It takes the groove which is on the plastic part, and it fits into those plastic grooves, so it's really clean on the edges. And then there is and you see there are the volume plus and minus button, because it was smaller slot, so the thick fingers could not reach in directly like it is for the power button, so they have given it directly on the rubber case there. I have put a foam there on the power button so that I don't lose its color because of dust. And similarly on the back side, this part was open for the exposed to dust, and that's why I have then put a foam here as well. And then you can place your pen here directly. It is nice slot here. Even though I have put this foam for making it scratch free, the charging still works, so it just slides in and it sticks there very nicely, and the charging is on. So it works pretty cool on this cover. Also there is a stand, and it's very nice to hold in the hand with this. So overall I think this is a nice cover. I would propose you can buy as well if you want to keep your tablet safe from falling down, or just to hold it nicely in your hand as well. Cool. That was my review so far. Please comment or like and share this video. Thank you.